we go. Okay, we're going to run another test of 0.6mm diameter 14 karat gold on 96% alumina, spinning at 30,000 RPM with a linear surface feed rate of 75 millimeters per minute and a Z feed height of 0.125 millimeters total and a 10 millimeter total surface track length. We've zoomed in with a thermal camera so we can get better thermal data, and we're taking real color images that are in better focus now. So with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and turn the spindle on to 30,000 RPM and begin the test. So that looks like it's in good thermal contact. Starting the file. Turning the spindle off. Okay. We're going to stop our cameras. There you go.